Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the essentials so TikTok can evaluate you correctly. You must confirm your age and location, then link a verified email and phone. This prevents automatic ineligibility. Once done, switch to a pro or creator account inside settings and enable two-factor authentication to strengthen trust signals. Make sure your account has original content posted within the last 30 days because fresh activity signals eligibility. These first steps eliminate the most common automatic disqualifiers and prepare you for the next stage. Now focus on content quality and policy compliance. Remove any copyrighted, misleading, or community guideline hit videos that can block eligibility. Then create 3 to 5 original, high-quality videos with a consistent theme so the algorithm recognizes your niche. Use clear captions and original audio where possible. Make sure analytics are enabled and optionally connect Instagram or YouTube to signal cross-platform presence. You're shaping account signals that TikTok's review system uses to move you from not eligible toward approval. Finish by requesting a formal eligibility review through the in-app help center, attaching screenshots of compliance and verification where allowed. This prompts manual checks. Expect 3 to 7 business days for response, and meanwhile keep posting original content and avoid policy breaches. If you receive a rejection, clear the app cache, recheck your linked info, and resubmit with documented proof of identity and content ownership. One key troubleshooting tip. If automated reviews fail repeatedly, escalate via creator support and include timestamps, links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.